So you were thinking about that Summerlin, Las Vegas, Nevada area, and you want to see one of the newest properties that are built out this way. So Summerlin, Las Vegas, single story with a cool two-story attachment, and then a two-story property that we'll show you, starting in the 800s. But I want you thinking more around that million to maybe 1.2, 1.3 by the time you finish with your upgrades. So let's enjoy these beautiful properties. Love the facade as far as the exterior, the brick use. This is again up in the Summerlin area. We are just building so far out into the mountains of Summerlin. This is even before you get into your front yard. So love, again, all of these courtyards that they are experiencing with these new homes. So all the fun happens at the front of the house. That's sweet. It's almost like people can drive up, and even before they get to, if there's a backyard, they experience this beforehand. Love this. We'll get you guys back there in a sec, of course. So they're really using this lot and showing this off. So you get to see people come into your front yard before. I love this. This is fun. Can we talk about the Las Vegas sunset, please? Love that. Okay, and now we're going to take you through the front. Let's go back and look at that sunset real quick. It's gorgeous. And there is the strip ahead. And taking us back in side. Let's get this first experience. Wow, love that. Before we take you to that beautiful expanse, we're gonna sneak you over here to the right. I love that kitchen. Again, all the interior doors are 8 feet. Love all of that. Powder. That is a gorgeous piece. That looks like the primary. I'm gonna save that till last. Just loving the sunset. We came here at a perfect time. Look at the sunset over those mountains. Stunning. And the city of Las Vegas just starting to glow. I wish these pantries were larger.
Yes, that's definitely.
There's something about these pantries that seem like they're too small for the house. Excuse my Santa hat there. Actually, I'm gonna take that out of the shot. There's the pool for liability issues, but really beautiful pool in the backyard as well. And that's our tour, guys. Let us know if you have any questions, and we will see you in the next video.